Hi everyone, welcome to the 12 wraps of Christmas. Furoshiki wrapping in Japan is really important. It was originally where the treasures from the shogun were wrapped in lovely pieces of cloth, and it's come down through the years, and it's that perfect example of Mottainai, which is do not waste anything, reuse, remake, relove. So we're going to use cloths for the entire thing that we're going to do. We're going to do 12 days, each day. Keep an eye out because there's some special things happening. So the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of the paper. We don't need paper. We don't even... Oh, that was big. Sorry. I'm just going to ignore that because you know me now. You know things go wrong. You know I fall off my chair a lot. So we just go with it, don't we? So see what this makes noise. It's quite good. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to wrap a simple box wrap. So when you watch all of these, there is a downloadable PDF, absolutely free. You can download the PDF and it's going to show you all of the bits and pieces we're doing today. I think there's one that isn't in there, but if you follow what we're doing, you'll easily be able to work out what it is. It also tells you the sizes you need for each furoshiki. We're going to do a special one that's going to give you the history of furoshiki, but we haven't had time to do that, so there's one we'll produce later. So the first thing I've got is a lovely cloth. Now this one is rabbits. It's a really pretty cloth. So we're going to start basic and then we're going to start ramping up towards Christmas because it's not that long now. It's very exciting. I love Christmas. So we're going to put the cloth on the table. You can see most furoshiki are absolutely square. This is my furoshiki box. So this is my box of treasures. All my different sizes are in here, all my different colours. All you're going to do is go to your scarf box. Everybody's got a scarf box or a scarf drawer. Pull out some squares and use those to wrap your presents. It's much more eco-friendly. Go to the charity shops, the op shops, and you can pick up these scarves for like 50p. That's what we need to use. We need to keep remaking things and reusing things so we're not wasting lots of paper. The first thing I'm going to wrap up today is this lovely box. So it's a basic box wrap, so I thought the best thing to wrap it up would be a box. So the first thing we're going to do, just put that to one side for a second, is we need to find out which is the bit of this cloth that I want to be the focal point on the box. I want these rabbits. This is the bit that I really like. So we're going to put the cloth into the middle. You're going to take your box and you're going to put it just about into the centre so it's equally spaced between the four corners. You're then going to just wrap this over the top because we need to check that the design we've got is where we want it. I think that's just a little bit long, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to move my box up slightly. You can just fiddle with it till you get it right. That's not long enough, so we're going to pull back just a little bit. And we're going to have it about there. So when you see the finished thing, the rabbits, these two rabbits at the front here, are going to be right at the front of your package. So we're going to put that over there for now. You're going to take, I'm just going to pull that slightly closer towards me. There we go. So we're going to fold the top over here, and then we're going to fold this top over to there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to hold the corners here and here. So you're sort of pinching the corners, and then you're going to lift that up, and that way we get a really nice neat edge on it. You're going to hold that in that hand, doesn't matter which hand you start with, and we're going to do exactly the same, and we're going to pull it to the middle. So we're just going to adjust it. You can neaten it up later. The first thing we're going to do is a cross knot like this. If you tie the knot straight away as we normally tie it, the bow part, this nice bit, will be facing the wrong direction. So the first tie is a cross. When we do the second one, we're going to do that tie again and push it through there. And this time we're going to pull it so it's straight across. Now this is quite a small cloth, but I like the rabbits, so I wanted to use the rabbit for this one. Twist, twist, so you've got your knot at the top. Rearrange this so it's pretty. Tidy all your corners, and that is your basic box wrap. We've got loads more projects coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.